Hello, welcome to the CEO DG and La YouTube channel. Hello, welcome to the CEO DG and La YouTube channel.
Learn general knowledge 5 question answers daily for 26th September 2021. Here I am going to start today's amazing 5 questions. So here you can see the main page of Amazon, and from there to home page. Home page opened here. I am clicking on programs and features. From there to Fun Zone, where you find daily quiz questions. And also I am searching for today's quiz questions here. Here it is, quiz time, answer and win new prizes every day. Now running 24 hours daily, starts at 12 a.m. I am going to start by clicking on Play Now button. Daily quiz time, answer all 5 questions. Enter the lucky draw to win the prize by answering all 5 questions correctly. Chance to win Amazon Pay rupees 50,000. So if 5 questions are correct, then only there is a chance to enter the lucky draw, and also chance to win today's amount rupees 50,000. So I am going to start by clicking on Start button. Here is the most awaiting the first question of today's quiz questions. An organization called Big Cat Rescue decided to celebrate 10th August as a World Dash Day. Fill in the blanks with the name of the animal. Here some animals name given. Repeating the question. An organization called Big Cat Rescue decided to celebrate 10th August as a World Dash Day. So which day that is? So here the options are tiger, lion, cheetah, jaguar. Which one you are guessing? Whenever you see 5 questions and options, guess any one answer, and after completion of 5 questions with options, test yourself how many questions were right and wrong. Like that, you can test yourself, your learning skills daily, along with the extra information which I provide in each video. I am adding some more info. Big Cat Rescue Corporation, also known as BCR, and previously known as Wildlife on Easy Street Inc., operates an animal sanctuary in Hillsborough County, Florida, United States, which rescues and houses exotic cats and rehabilitates injured or orphaned native wild cats. It was founded by Don Lewis and Carol Baskin in 1995. World Lion Day is observed every year on August 10th to raise awareness about the conservation of lions. The lion is an endangered species on the IUCN Red List. The 5 biggest cats are found mostly in India, including the Royal Bengal tiger. The first one is the Royal Bengal tiger, Indian leopard, clouded leopard, and snow leopard. So as per the question, the correct option is the second one, that is lion. An organization called Big Cat Rescue decided to celebrate 10th August as a World Lion Day. I am clicking on second option, lion. So that side came here. Now moving to the second question. Which famous actress plays the role of Thena in the upcoming Marvel movie Eternals? Repeating the question. Which famous actress plays the role of Thena in the upcoming Marvel movie Eternals? Here the options are Salma Hayek, Jennifer Lawrence, Angelina Jolie, Margot Robbie. Whom are you guessing? I'm adding some more info. Eternals is an American superhero film based on the Marvel Comics series of the same name, produced by Marvel Studios and distributed by Walt Disney Studios Motion Pictures. It is intended to be the 26th film in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. In short, it is a MCU, Marvel Cinematic Universe. In the film, the Eternals, an immortal alien race, emerged from hiding after thousands of years to protect Earth from their evil counterparts, the Deviants. Angelina Jolie, as she acted as Thena, an elite warrior eternal who can form any weapon out of cosmic energy and develops a close bond with Gilgamesh over the centuries. Jolie trained with various swords, spears, and staffs for the role, as well as taking ballet. So, as per the question, the correct option is the third one, that is Angelina Jolie. So, the famous actress plays the role of Thena in the upcoming Marvel movie Eternals is Angelina Jolie. That is the third option. So, Bangan came here. Moving to the third question. Which of these Masters series titles did Alexander Zverev win by beating his childhood friend Andrei Rublev in the final? Repeating the question. Which of these Masters series titles did Alexander Zverev win by beating his childhood friend Andrei Rublev in the final? Here the options are Indian Wells, Cincinnati Masters, Shanghai Masters, Paris Masters. Which one you are guessing? I am adding some more info. Do you know the full name of Alexander Zverev? Alexander Sasha Zverev is his full name. He was born on 20th April 1997 in Hamburg, Germany. He is a German professional tennis player. He has been ranked as high as number 3 in the world by the Association of Tennis Professionals, ATP. Association of Tennis Professionals. Zverev was the singles champion at the 2018 ATP Finals. He is the only active player outside of the Big Four with 5 ATP Masters 1000 titles. Alexander Zverev defeated Andrei Rublev in the final 6-2, 6-3 to win the 2021 Cincinnati Masters. It was his 5th ATP Tour Masters 1000 title, 17th career singles title on the ATP Tour, and made him the first player on the 2021 ATP Tour to win multiple ATP Tour Masters 1000 titles singles. So, as per the question, the correct option is the second one, that is Cincinnati Masters. Cincinnati Masters series titles did Alexander Zverev win by beating his childhood friend Andrei Rublev in the final. I am clicking on the second option, Cincinnati Masters. So keep it up came here. Now moving to the fourth question. Look at the image, mouth-watering question this is. I think you also like. Which Asian cuisine does this dish belong to? Repeating the question. Which Asian cuisine does this dish belong to? Here the options are Chinese, Korean, Japanese, Taiwanese. Which one you are guessing? I am adding some more info about the image. Sushi, S-U-S-H-A. Sushi is a traditional Japanese dish of preparing wine-geared rice. That is, in Japan it is called sushi meshi. Usually with some sugar and salt accompanied by a variety of ingredients. In Japanese language it is called neta, such as seafood, often raw, and vegetables. Sushi is traditionally made with medium grain white rice, though it can be prepared with brown rice or short grain rice. It is very often prepared with seafood such as squid, eel, yellow tail, salmon, tuna, or imitation crab meat. Many types of sushi are vegetarian. It is often served with pickled ginger. In Japanese, it is called gari, and wasabi and soy sauce, etc. Daikon radish or pickled daikon. In Japanese, it is called takuan, are popular garnishes for the dish. So, as per the question, the correct option is the third one, that is C. Third one, that is Japanese. So, this sushi, Asian cuisine, belongs to Japanese. Okay, I am clicking on the third option, Japanese. Okay, keep it up came here. Now moving to the last question, and another also mouth watering, especially in summer special. This is name the primary ingredient used in this refreshing summertime beverage. Look at the image, a jar and some lemon juice and lemons and some leaves, maybe mint, those are. So, repeating the question, name the primary ingredient used in this refreshing summertime beverage. Here, which primary ingredient used in this refreshing summertime beverage? You can see the image, those are lemons only. So, you can easily guess it. So, the options are orange, pomegranate, lemon, or lemongrass. So, which one you are guessing? So, I am adding some more info. It is mint lemonade. Mint lemonade is refreshing, tasty, and perfect for summer parties. This summer drink is made with fresh lemon juice and fresh mint. Fresh mint is the best herb to put in various summer drinks, from cocktails, Spanish calimocho to infused waters, that is pineapple infused water, or iced teas, that is a mint or lemon iced tea. So, as per the question, the correct option is the third one, that is lemon. So, the primary ingredient used in this beverage, summer time beverage, is lemon. So, I am clicking on the third option, lemon. So, keep it up came here. Now, today's 5 out of 5 questions completed and correct. So, you can see as appreciation, well done came here. You are eligible for a lucky draw in this contest, Amazon Pay. Today's is the hugest amount, that is 50,000. So, you can check the winners list on 27th September 2021. Keep learning and enhance your learning skills. Thank you and have a nice Sunday.
Dhanyavad. Thank you. If you like this video, do like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one. Bye bye.